Welcome back to the channel. This is Geek and Son. Today I will be opening up my brand new Rockshox fork. That's the Rockshox Recon RL, I believe is the name of it. So here we go. This will be the first time I'll be seeing it, along with you. I'll be putting it on a 2018 Trek Marlin 7. Which is their entry-level bicycle. Let's turn that around so the kids at home can see. Okay, inside. This is a really great. Hey, it's real. This is inside the box. We have, of course, your obligatory Rockshox stickers. Blah. We've got the piece that I believe goes in the head screwed in, and their fancy "we sold this to you" sticker. Underneath, wow, it's pretty. We've got our Rockshox with the 1 1/8 non-tapered tube, and of course it's got a little thing in there. This is for the not the through axle, but the skewer or whatever you call it. Again, I'm not an expert at this, but that's what you call it. It's the air shock, so it's an upgraded shock from what I've had before. And of course, you've got the serial number right here on the back. It's beautiful. Right here it says Rockshox and Recon. And like I said, it's going to go on my Marlin 7. Now the problem's going to be, I'm going to take my Marlin 7, which I'll get down now. I have it hanging on the wall over here. Problem being, I'm going to take this shock off. I'm going to need the right tools to get this off and this off, spacers off, etc. But then I'm going to have to cut the tube on that one to fit this one. And I'm not an expert, and I don't want to screw it up, because I spent $250 on that fork. So, I guess we'll begin. Let's remove the front tire. I don't normally like to put my bike upside down like this, but I don't have a lot of choices right now. Make sure you get in the shop here. Okay. Just remove the quick release handle. Screw this so it has some clearance. Pop that wheel baby off just like that. Boom. Okay, we're going to need, before I forget it, maybe some of this lube, which is, I don't endorse these people, but I heard this was really good. Tri-Flow, your lubricant, and of course your Park Tool grease for the head unit stuff, which I'll be using as we go along. I was just over here setting up to film this, and the car generally fell. I heard a big crash over there, and it rolled right off the ramps. Holy! My car just rolled off of its dollies, off of its ramps. It's been up there for years. It may have caught the side. Whose bright idea was it to pump up these tires?
What did you do?
I was working over here on unboxing the thing, and it just rolled off the ramps.
Did it roll into the truck?
Luckily, I just barely moved the truck back, like, you know, where I would put it. If it would have been there, it would have crushed both of them. That's what I get for pumping up the tires. Looks like it didn't hit the truck. I just barely moved the truck back. I don't think it hit. I just can't believe it didn't hit. Let's go look at the other side. I'm almost in shock.
Can't tell.
These handlebars over here. You see that? Now I can see some bearings popping out right here. Makes me a little nervous, but we'll be all right. We'll push that up, take this top cap off right here. Then we'll take off the little, what I'm imagining is a seal. I take off this little cap, trying to keep them in order. And then there's the bearing, which I'd rather not move, but I think I have to. Let's see. I'll just stay in there. It looks like it'll stay in there. All right, and that, as they say, is that. Here's the fork off of the bike. And on the bottom part, we have the bearing, which we don't want to get greasy, or I mean dirty. Let's put back over here. This is my dog. Hi, dog. She needs to go in the house.
Mimi, go in the house.
Really, she doesn't. If she bumps this, it could all just collapse. I'm gonna take this screw out and then drop it. No, and then pick it up, and then it'll be ready when I need it. Here's the bearing. Here's the bearing and the what looks like the sealant. There's some lint on it. Let me get that off. One thing I know for sure, you don't want to be putting anything that will contaminate your bike in it. Just a little bit of adjustment. Make sure. Boom. Make sure the wheel still rolls. Well, look at that. And brakes. Oh, yeah. That's going to be wonderful. Okay. Again, I just bought this. Let me clean this up. Bought this Marlin 7 probably about 2 years ago, maybe a year and a half ago. It's been a great bike, but I was getting to the point where I thought I needed to upgrade the suspension a little bit, and I did. It seems like it worked great. So that, as they say, is that. Are we still recording? We sure are. That, as they say, is that. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some more great content as I ride.